So in this video, we're going to have a look at how to install a new printer into Onyx 25. So the very first thing I'm going to do is going to make sure that there are no Onyx products running at this time. So to do this, I can go to my task manager and I can check that all of my Onyx programs are not currently running. If I need to, I can stop them in there. Then I'm going to go to my program. I'm going to go down to Onyx 25. I'm going to go to install printer. We then get the printer install box up. Now, if you have a backup of your printer on your computer already, we can go to browse and we can find that backup and install that there. If we need to download a new one, we can go to download manager. And then we can navigate through the download manager box. So the version I have is Onyx 25. We then choose our manufacturer. We then choose our printer type. And we choose our profile provider. As this machine has different ink types, you can then choose your specific ink type. So let's go for this one. And you'll see then the profiles that are available on the Onyx server for this machine. Press download now. Choose a place for that to go, for that download to go. And this will create us a printer sort of package for this machine. Press OK when it's finished downloading. And then we can cancel out of the download manager. You'll now see that we have our new Mamaki CJV 150 there available. And I can check that and say, yeah, I'm happy with that, and press install. It's now going to install the printer into your Onyx 25. It now says click finish. And it's going to launch Onyx Thrive for me. Now we have a new printer. The first thing that's going to pop up is the configure printer port. You'll also see up here we have my Canon Colorado and we also have my Mamaki CJV. I can then choose how I'd like to set that up. So let's say it's on Mamaki USB. I can configure that, or print forward in, or print to file. And I can press OK once that has been set up. So you'll now see I've got Mamaki CJV 150 available, and then I can bring my job into that printer there. So that's how we install a new printer into Onyx 25.